Hello guys, so today we have this new product from the Aputure guys. Yes, again we have this new Aputure MC Pro. Yeah, this is the new MC Pro. Overexposed. This is the new MC Pro. We will check, unbox, and I will show you all the function of this new MC Pro. So, yeah, for anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo and video gears. Yeah, so let's start now, guys. Again, we unbox the product, yeah, and it will show that like your soft case. Yeah. You have the soft case, you have your manuals, and again, it can control by the CDOS link app. You have already the barcode scanner here, QR code scanner, QR code scanner, and some more of this. I think. So we have the box here. Again, so when we open the um, soft box, and you will see here the lights. So we have the lights. Okay, we have the small uh, ball head or mini ball head, small ball head, and on this side open, you have your diffuser, but not just one diffuser because you have the simple flat diffuser. You have the grid diffuser, which is all magnetic, and you have also this like a sort of a dome type of a diffuser. You have grid diffuser, and again you have your magnetic, and so you can stitch on that side. It's also magnetic and USB to USB-C. So USB and USB-C. So again, and okay, this is all sorry. This is all magnetic type. Yeah, it's all magnet. The grid is all magnetic, and the diffuser it's all magnetic. Yeah. So again, guys, and also this holder, this is also a magnetic. Hmm. The ball head from down is also a magnetic type. It's all magnetic. So you can attach this on all wall, a magnetic wall, like yeah. Then and you can attach here, and you can magnet or put and you can magnet to all the magnetic types of walling. Yeah. So I think this is our product, the Aputure MC. Yeah. You have your dial here, function dial, you have the menu and the power USB-C for powering. And let's try to power. And so you have your menu here. And again, you can control by CDOS link. So you have your menu, CCT, GM, CCT, the power, and so you can change the power by CCT. And so 5,500 Kelvin to 2,000. So you have the 2,000 to 10,000 Kelvin. From 10,000 Kelvin up to the number here 2,000 Kelvin. And so CCT, uh-huh, and negative amount something, and 50% can make a power up to 100% full power. So and guys, so again, this is our product for today. Again, the Aputure MC Pro. Yeah, the Aputure MC Pro. Again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability on this product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Aputure product, it's already in our website. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.